In a well-built data model, the table on the many side of the one-to-many relationship will be the fact table and the table on the one side will be the lookup table. In any one-to-many related table pair, the fact table should be placed on the bottom and the lookup table should be placed up. This resembles that the fact table on the many side always looks up to the dimension or descriptive or reference table on the one side of one-to-many relationship model for fetching the additional data. Now all the lookup tables are on the top and fact tables are on the bottom for each one-to-many relationship link. Now the bidirectional relation is modified to single direction. The data always flows from lookup table to fact table, that is, from one side to many side. In other words, the lookup table filters the fact table, so the single direction is always assigned from one side to many side. The overall picture of arrangement resembles as if water flowing from top of the data model to the bottom.